In this lesson, we will learn what is prime, square, and cube numbers. So what is prime number? So prime number is a number with exactly two factors. So the number that can divide by itself or 1. So you are having two numbers that can divide either 1 or itself. Then that number is called prime number. So some example, 11 is a prime number because only 1 and 11 can divide. No other number can divide 11. Therefore, 11 is a prime number. 15 is not a prime number since 1 and 15 can divide. Also 3 can divide, 5 can divide. Therefore, 15 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 1 can divide itself and 1, but there is only one factor. You need to have two factors, two different factors. But 1, we have only one factor, 1 itself. Therefore, 1 is not a prime number. 2, 1 can divide 2 and 2 can divide 2. Therefore, no other number between 1 and 2 is available, and 2 is a prime number, but that is the only even prime number. All other even numbers are not prime numbers. Only 2 is the even number that is also prime. So there are infinite number of prime numbers. Okay. So in this example, they ask you to find the prime number from the list 42, 43, 44 and 45. So what you have to do? So you can remove all the even numbers. If you have 2, you can't remove. Any other even numbers you can remove. Automatically every even number 2 can divide. But 2 also 2 can divide, but there is no other there is no other number can divide 2. Only 1 and 2 can divide. So therefore 2 is the prime number. So therefore you can eliminate any even numbers other than 2. So 42 and 44 goes away from the list. Then we will try to find out 43. Can 2, 3, 4 anything can divide? Anything less than 43 can divide 43? No, only 1 and 43 can divide 43. No other number can divide 43. Will 45, any number can divide 45 other than 1 and 45? Yes, of course 3 can divide 45, 5 can divide 45, 9 can divide 45. Therefore we can eliminate 45 from the list. Therefore 43 is the prime number that has only two factors, 1 and 43. Therefore 43 is the prime number within that list. So what is square number? Square number is a number multiply itself is called square number. So say for example, if 1 multiplied by 1, you will be getting 1. So 1 is a square number. 2 multiplied by 2, you will be getting 4. Therefore 4 is a square number. 3 multiplied by 3, you will be getting 9. So 9 is a square number. So here the length and width of that one are equal. The number of side and number of the width are equal. So the first 15 square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. 64 is 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81, 10 into 10, 100, 11 into 11, 121, 12 into 12, 144, 13 into 13, 169, 14 into 14, 196, and 15 into 15, 225. These are called square numbers. So what are cube numbers? Like square numbers, cube numbers are 3 times. One number divided by the same number, again divided by the same number. Then you will be getting the cube number. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. That is a cube number. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is a cube number. Then 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. That is a cube number. So 1, 8, 27. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, and so on. So these are called cube numbers.